All right, so here we are outside. I've added an indicator here for salt reading. We are going to actually get some water in here to the 10 ml line, which is right here. This is the salt level chart. These are the directions on this side. So let's get some water in the tube. And we'll rinse this out a couple of times. And we'll have to get rid of some water out of here. We're pretty much in full operation right now. Heat is running, water temperature's going up. Okay, so this has to be down to the 10 ml line. That's way down here. I don't know why it's so low, but I have it I just hit it exactly where it's supposed to be. 10 ml, all right? So the instructions say 1 drop, fill it to 10 ml, 1 drop of R630. Sample will turn yellow, 1 drop. And swirl to mix. And then we're going to have to count the drops we put in here. We're going to take the silver nitrate agent, add 1 drop, add silver nitrate reagent dropwise, swirling and counting after each drop until color changes from yellow to a milky salmon or a brick red. All right. 1. 2. 3. 4. There's the milky salmon or brick red. That's 4. Okay, 4. 4 drops. And we multiply each drop times 200, right? Each drop times 200. That's 800 ppm of salt. So you see how easy that was to use, right? So we have 800, that's the salmon. You saw it turn, that 1 drop turned it, right? So that's 800 of ppm of salt. So we're going to quit this showing you how to test, and then I'm going to calculate how much salt to put in the pool, and then we'll be making another video on that. Thanks.